DJI has once again raised the bar. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just a petite drone, it's a leap forward in aerial videography, AI flight automation, and cinematic mode advancements. Packed with high-end sensors, smarter obstacle avoidance, enhanced battery management, and cutting-edge computational photography, it represents the next wave in the compact drone revolution. Why the Mini 5 Pro matters? If you've been flying the Mini 4 Pro or the DJI Air series, you might wonder, is the Mini 5 Pro worth the jump? We've pushed it in strong winds, tracked fast-moving objects, and tested it in low-light conditions. The verdict: this is not just a modest upgrade, it's shaping the future of lightweight, travel filmmaking, and professional travel drone content creation. From new smart modes to better battery life and upgraded hardware, we break everything down: camera quality, flight time, AI tools, usability, comparisons, pricing predictions, and value. Whether you're a beginner pilot or a drone pro, this is a deep dive you don't want to miss. Release window and price outlook: DJI tends to update the Mini line every 12 to 18 months. Given the timeline, the Mini 5 Pro is targeting late 2025 or early 2026 release. Expect a base price around $999, with Fly More combos possibly reaching $1,299, especially if they include the DJI RC2 controller camera enhancement, more dynamic range, more power. Rumor has it DJI installs a 1 or high-end 1/1.3-inch sensor, delivering superior dynamic range, low-light clarity, and richer detail. Possible upgrades include a new f/1.7 aperture or even variable aperture, enabling better exposure control and shifting light. Video specs: 4K at 60 frames per second, HDR capture, possibly 10-bit color depth, ideal for high-end creators. AI-powered capture modes: scene recognition, autoframing, master shots, and quick shots improved by machine learning. This would further elevate automated cinematic output for travel storytelling and aerial video production. These camera upgrades reinforce the Mini 5 Pro's position in the content creator ecosystem, combining portability with power, flight time, and smart battery system. Battery life has always been a top priority for drone users. DJI seems poised to extend flight time beyond 40 minutes, thanks to intelligent battery architecture and AI-driven power optimization. The system could adapt power use based on flight performance and wind conditions to preserve battery life without adding weight. We may also see rapid charging features and a smart charging hub, streamlining recharge time, perfect for on-the-move pilots capturing dynamic aerial footage. Lightweight design, refined build. Despite its significant feature upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to stay under 250 g, keeping it unregulated in many regions. Noteworthy design enhancements might include a more aerodynamic and refined frame, improving stability in wind and minimizing turbulence, premium materials for durability and heat dissipation, yet maintaining portability, improved hinge engineering and gimbal protection, along with a sleeker foldable form factor, enhanced ergonomics in the remote. If DJI includes a newer controller with better grip, responsive controls, and a user-centric layout, it could redefine the compact drone operability standard. All of this adds to the travel-ready, outdoor filmmaking appeal. Advanced obstacle avoidance and smart AI navigation. Building on the omnidirectional sensors of the Mini 4 Pro, the new model should offer AI-enhanced obstacle detection with better precision, smoother auto landings, and safer return-home routines, enhanced active track for moving subjects, waypoint navigation, and more fluid automated cinematic flight paths. Smart rescue behaviors like precision centering, auto hover, and improved reaction times around obstacles. This places the Mini 5 Pro firmly in the professional aerial filmmaking tools segment, while still being approachable for beginners. Intelligence and workflow automation. DJI's AI capabilities are set to become more integral. Expect features like real-time subject recognition, gesture control, and improved autofocus tracking during flight. In-air auto exposure adjustments, stabilization, tuning, and computational photography enhancements, streamlined post-capture, auto-editing, instant sharing, or even direct cloud upload. Integrating into creators' fast-paced workflows, these enhancements reduce reliance on manual editing and post-production. Ever had that mind-blowing for travel vloggers and content creators on reality, like discovering a unicorn that does its taxes? And in the drone professional world, content creators, fast, the improvements mean better low-light footage when exploring dawn/dusk scenes, and it's a total game changer in the sub-250G category. Or wildlife with advanced AI portability on steroids, extended flight sessions in remote locations without constant battery swaps, and it does not disappoint. Post-production and sharing. We're talking a nearly for social media storytelling for beginner or casual flyers. This dwarfs the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro's energy packs. Safety systems with that kind of streamlined app-based editing make it a strong contender even at this price point. And we might even get fast pricing might be higher. That's almost double the previous benchmarks for an ultralight drone combo. High-end camera with more features could come from DJI is rumored to stuff a 1-inch image sensor into the Mini 5 Pro. DJI must maintain. You read that right. Firmware reliability in the sub-250G systems or automation expect cinematic dynamic range, final thoughts low light DJI Mini 5 Pro is positioning itself as the pinnacle of the sub-250G drone segment. The camera module also seems larger and more compact size with likely enabling full 360 degrees delivers on the rumored enhancements, it could truly redefine what's viable in travel filmmaking. Previously impossible without bulkier gear, just entering the drone world, or looking for a travel design for your content creation, fluid motion across any angle. Just be the compact with front-facing LiDAR and an advanced 3D infrared system. If this video guide opens your eyes to the possibilities of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, add in stronger, hit that like button, vented motors for better wind resistance and subscribe to stay ahead in the drone innovation curve. Ring the bell to never miss our deep dives, 32 gigabytes internal storage, and essential tech isn't just small. Until next time, keep innovating, keep creating, and ignite the future in every flight with the Mini 5 Pro.